Today, we will talk about how to survive a wildfire. Let's have a look at the details. Wildfires are common in dry, hot climates, but they can happen anywhere. Most wildfires start small, often from human causes, but spread very quickly. The ashes and smoke create wind currents low to the ground, which means that a large, active wildfire can throw burning embers up to a mile ahead of the actual fire. If you ever find yourself facing the threat of a wildfire, it's important to know what to do to ensure that you and your family remain safe. The first method is recognizing fire conditions. Check when it last rained heavily. If it has been several months since the previous rainstorm, then it can get very dry. Dry shrubs and plants burn a lot more easily and more quickly than wet shrubs. Analyze the wind forecasts. Winds such as Diablo winds in Northern California or Santa Ana winds in Southern California allow for fire to spread more rapidly. These winds can carry hot ash and burning embers up or downhill, igniting more dry vegetation. Be especially careful during the summer months. During this time, there may be lightning storms with little or no rain. These can ignite dry brush even at night. Stay tuned to the news for updates on the situation. Read the fire danger. This is put up by your fire department to inform you of the risk of wildfires. If the fire danger is past yellow, reconsider lighting campfires or launching fireworks. The second method is surviving on foot. Remain calm. The situation is extremely dangerous, but panicking will only hinder your ability to adapt to the situation and survive. Protect your airways. This is the most important thing you can do to ensure your safety. Cover your nose and mouth with a wet cloth and hold it there until you get to safer grounds. Determine 3 courses of action. If time and your mental condition allow it, try to formulate 3 different escape plans. Head for non-flammable terrain. If at all possible, head for the nearest, biggest area that is unlikely to burn. Avoid high burn places. As you flee the fire, you'll need to avoid places that could leave you trapped once the fire advances. Hunker down if trapped. If the fire surrounds you, or if there is no place safe to head toward, your safest option may be to hunker down in an area that will not burn. The third method is staying safe in a vehicle. Find a vehicle. If you are not in your own vehicle and your choices are running on foot or using a vehicle, opt for the vehicle. Ensure that you can breathe. Once you're in a car, you'll need to ensure that the car is safely sealed from the smoke surrounding you. Drive if you can. If the vehicle runs and you're capable of driving it, then do so. But it's important to drive safely so that you can see your surroundings, and so that anyone else on the road can see you. Drive slowly and keep your headlights on. Keep an eye out for other vehicles and pedestrians. Stop to let any pedestrians you encounter ride along with you. Remain in the vehicle. If the smoke is too thick to see the road, or if you cannot drive the car for any reason, you should remain in the vehicle. Know what to expect. Whether you are able to drive or you are forced to hunker down inside a vehicle, it's important to know what to expect so that you do not panic. And the fourth method is taking shelter in a building. Take any precautions you can. If time permits, trim grass and vegetation as low to the ground as possible around the building and any external propane tanks. Try to wet the area. If the building has hoses and running water, utilize that water to create a safer structure. Stay inside. Whether you become trapped in your home or you take shelter in a building you come across, stay inside no matter what. If the fire surrounds the building, you're more likely to survive inside than out. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.